everyone, I'm going to show you how to play the grade 5 C song Lentamente of the year 2020. Yeah, so for the right hand, we'll start with finger number 4 on the B. So B, then after that go to E, finger 1, then finger 3, go to C, then after that go to finger 4, then go up again to E, then jump to another E. So from this high E to this low E, you must connect. Okay, and then finger 5, 2, 3. So this is the first line for the right hand. Try one more time. You remember, be careful because they are all is one whole slur. So that means you must be legato. But this song is a slow song. You can play slowly. So again, you need to count in a quaver. So you'll be 1, 2, 1, 2. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. So the ta dot, the dotted crotchet must hold 3 count. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Okay. So now will be left hand turn. Left hand will be above the middle C. So this middle C. So above it will be E, G, D. So the positions, the interval between the chords is actually same. So you just freeze your hand, the interval, then you just go down, and then wherever there's a sharp, then just go to sharp. So you just go down, you just move one step down, and then go B flat, then just move one step down again. So see, I never change my interval between the fingers. My postures are the same. Then I go down, just slide down, just slide down. Whenever you see a sharp, you go to sharps. Then I go back to the A. So one more time. So I can say one by one the note for you. So the first one will be, every finger will be 1, 3, 5. So it will be E, G, D, the first chord. Second chord, you just move down one step. D, F sharp, C, you play together. Then after you go down again. So you go C, E, B flat, play together. Next one, you go down again. B, D, A. Then you go down one step again, just slide down to A, C, G. And you slide out again, G, B, F. Then you slide out again. This time the pinky have F sharp, so F sharp, A, E. Then after you just go out all the way to the B, D, A. So your original will be something like this. Just slide down. So you practice hands separately first for the first few weeks until you're very familiar already. Then you can add hands together. So hands together will be like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So please take note. The left hand can cut, but the right hand must all connected because it's a legato song. So right hand must always legato when you play hands together. So the right hand is very important. And you need to play pianissimo, it's very soft, and espressivo, expressively. So one more time, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, legato right hand. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Thank you. This first line.